Today, let's talk about ovens. You use yours all the time. It helps you make yummy food. But when was the last time you cleaned it? A dirty oven can make your food taste bad. Yuck. It can also be dangerous. All that grease can catch fire. But don't worry, cleaning your oven doesn't have to be hard. I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get it sparkling clean. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. First, take everything out of your oven. This includes all the racks, trays, and any other items you might have stored in there. It's important to start with a completely empty oven so you can clean every nook and cranny without any obstructions. That means the racks, trays, and anything else hiding in there. You might be surprised at what you find. Sometimes old crumbs or bits of food can be lurking in the corners. Make sure to give these items a good rinse or wash while you're at it. Now, mix together some baking soda and water. This combination is a natural and effective cleaner. You don't need any harsh chemicals to get your oven sparkling clean. Just a simple mixture of baking soda and water will do the trick. You want it to be like a paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stick to the surfaces inside your oven. If it's too runny, it won't adhere properly and won't be as effective in breaking down the grime. This is our magic cleaning potion. It's amazing how such a simple mixture can work wonders. Plus, it's safe and non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about any harmful fumes or residues. Spread this paste all over the inside of your oven. Be generous with it, covering all the surfaces where grease and grime tend to build up. Don't forget the back wall and the sides, as these areas can often be the dirtiest. Make sure you get the door too, but avoid the heating elements. The door can get just as dirty as the rest of the oven, especially if you do a lot of baking or roasting. But be careful around the heating elements, as you don't want to damage them. Let it sit for a few hours, or even overnight if you can. The longer you let the paste sit, the more time it has to break down the tough, baked-on grime. If you can leave it overnight, you'll likely see even better results. Cover the paste with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out. It will continue to work this way. It gives the baking soda time to work its magic. When you come back, you'll find that the grime has loosened and is much easier to wipe away. Your oven will look almost brand new, and you'll feel great knowing you did it all with a simple, natural cleaner. While the baking soda is working its magic on the inside of your oven, let's not forget about those oven racks. They need some love too. You know that white vinegar you have in your pantry? It's not just for salads and pickling. It's a powerful cleaning agent that can tackle tough grime. It's time to put it to work. Fill your sink with hot water and add a cup of vinegar. This simple mixture will help break down the grease and baked-on food particles. Place the oven racks in the sink and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. The vinegar will loosen all that stubborn grime, making it easier to scrub off later. Now back to the oven. The baking soda paste should have done its job by now. It's time to wipe it all out and reveal a sparkling, clean surface. Use a damp sponge or cloth to carefully wipe away the baking soda paste. Make sure to get into all the corners and crevices. You'll see all the dirt and grime coming off. It's incredibly satisfying to watch the transformation. Once you've wiped everything down, give the oven a final rinse with clean water. This will ensure that no residue is left behind, leaving your oven fresh and ready for your next culinary adventure. After soaking, scrub the oven racks with a brush or sponge to remove any remaining grime. Rinse them thoroughly and place them back in the oven. And there you have it, a clean oven without the use of harsh chemicals. Your pantry truly holds the secrets to a spotless kitchen. So next time you're faced with a dirty oven, remember that a little baking soda and vinegar can go a long way. Keep that oven shining. A clean oven not only looks great, but also functions more efficiently. Once your oven is clean, you want to keep it that way, right? A sparkling oven can be the pride of your kitchen, and maintaining it doesn't have to be a chore. Here's how. Line the bottom of your oven with aluminum foil. This simple step can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. This will catch any spills and make cleaning up a breeze. No more scrubbing away at stubborn, baked-on messes. Just replace the foil when it gets dirty. Wipe up any spills as soon as they happen. A quick wipe with a damp cloth can prevent those spills from turning into a bigger problem. This will prevent them from baking on and becoming harder to clean. Baked-on spills can be a nightmare to remove, so it's best to tackle them right away. And remember, a little cleaning every now and then is better than a big cleaning job later on. Regular maintenance is key. Spend a few minutes each week to keep your oven in top shape. This way, you avoid the hassle of a major cleaning session. Plus, A clean oven can improve the taste of your food and even extend the life of your appliance. So take a few moments to care for your oven, and it will serve you well for years to come. Enjoy your sparkling clean oven. See? Cleaning your oven wasn't that hard. And now you have a sparkling clean oven that will make your food taste even better. So go ahead, preheat that oven and get cooking. You deserve to enjoy a clean oven and delicious food. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you again in the next episode.